You know, here's the deal. What's up, OMG Nation? So today I'm going to do a quick review on these Dirtybird concept Harley super handlebar grips right here that I purchased. They were $180 plus tax and shipping. I had them installed. They say it's a one-level install. If you are handy with tools, and I am not, and I'm not afraid to admit that, I am the guy that helps keep the guys who are handy with tools in business, and I'm okay with that. Hold on. Let me close my lid. So I've had these grips now for a couple of months. I think I put close to 600 miles on them. So I've gone on a few rides where it was over an hour and a half to 2 hours in one direction. And I would say about the hour and a half to 2 hour mark, the throttle grip starts making my hand go numb. Now, so on their actual website, in the description of this particular product, they say it prevents, that this rubber prevents your hands from going numb. That has not been the case for me. On the left hand side, absolutely. My hands have not gone numb at all, which is, I don't know, that's odd to me, unless there's something that I don't understand about it. Right here on the right hand side, an hour and a half to 2 hours, it starts tingling, it starts going numb, my fingers start going numb. I have to give it a little shake, kind of get rid of that feeling. But that has been my experience. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. Is that something that you've experienced? Anyone else that's purchased these? So here's the thing. If I was gonna rate these grips on looks alone for what they do, how they make my motorcycle look, I think they look awesome. I got stuck in neutral there. That's weird. I'm giving these grips right here an easy 10 in my eyes, just based on looks alone. The comfort as far as just holding them, I like it. I like the size of them. I'm gonna pull over up here and give you guys kind of an up close and personal view of what these look like. Pull into this parking lot if I can get in up here. So again, I like these grips. I like the way they look. My hand does go numb. In their description, it actually says John's new gnarly super grip design for your handlebars will keep your hands from going numb on those long rides with our new rubber inserts inside the grip. You know, here's the deal. I've been doing this for a long time, and I know that every motorcycle is different, so maybe there's something on my 06 Fat Boy that it just there's a lot of vibration, and I don't know, maybe it has to do with something else. So I'm not gonna say that, you know, that on someone else's bike their hands aren't going numb, but it's still not so bad that it's an issue for me. I like them. If I ever purchased a different bike, I would probably buy them again. I just, you know, kind of know that there's a possibility that my throttle hand may go numb. So I appreciate you guys watching this episode. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. Throw a comment down if there's anything you'd like to see me do a review on. If there's any questions you guys have for me, let me know, and I'll see you on the next episode.